Hey homies, how are you? Want this? Get your clips ready. Go to Shapes, select Rectangle. Fill composition area. Go to Effects. Add Copy Background with standard settings. Go to Effects again. Add Circular Ripple with standard settings. Come in Adjustments. Set frequency 2. Go to Strength. Set to Keyframes for first keyframe. Do strength 0.031. And for second keyframe, do it 0.000 and set that keyframe at last. Now go to Graph and do same as I do. Go to Phase Set keyframe. For first keyframe, make phase 0.25 and set that keyframe at beginning. And for second keyframe, do phase 1.50 and set it at the end of clip. Go to Graph and do same as I do. Now make radius 0.80. Make feather 0.300. Add ripple overlay. You can download it from my Telegram. Link is in pinned comment. Adjust ripple overlay. Go to Effects. Add tiles with standard settings. Do mirror on eye. Go to Blending and Opacity. Select Lighten, then do Screen. Set to Keyframe Set. And for second keyframe set, opacity to 100. Opacity of first keyframe 0. Set. Both keyframe near to each other as I do. Now duplicate overlay layer. Go to Move and Transform. Rotate it to 90 degrees. Then go to Blending and Opacity. Go to Lighten and set opacity of second keyframe to 50. You are done with the ripple effect. Now it's time for Shake. Shake is complicated and lengthy, so I have given XML in my Telegram. Link is in the pinned comment. You can just simply download and make your edits. Bye, have a good day, homies.